Make this super easy and tasty onion dip for your festive potlucks or as a meal prep dip for lunches. This dip is high protein, lower calorie, and full of flavor. You just need to whip all the ingredients together in a mixer to make a savory umami dip. A quarter cup serving is only 60 calories and has 7 grams of protein. I made this dip as part of my charcuterie platter for a holiday party a few weeks ago, and it was a big hit. It went well with the veggie sticks like celery or carrots and also on crackers. For best results, leave the dip in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. Give this dip a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, Dan, you want to try the dip?
All right. Smells refreshing. Oh, it's pretty good. Try it on a cookie.
It's a cracker.
Cracker. Yeah, dip's good. Nice and light and like fresh. And it has a little bit of kick to it, but not too much.
I think it's the green onions and the garlic and some dill and some lemon juice.
Yeah, it's like a... Yeah, it's pretty creamy too. Yeah, it's good.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennrd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.